Hi guys. So today we're going to talk a little bit about how to store your acrylic pouring paint. Once you've gone through all of the process of mixing the paint together, say you have some leftover paint, what's the best way to store that paint? So what I do is, in a lot of cases, if I've mixed up just a small amount, like I have of this orange color, I've used these small condiment cups that you can get from the dollar store. Essentially, it keeps the paint sealed and it keeps the paint fluid. So that's a really nice, convenient option if you're wanting to save even the smallest amounts of paint, because we all know we go through a lot of paint when we're doing acrylic pouring and it can get really expensive. So we want to salvage as much as possible. So another option is I have a bunch of these large condiment bottles. As you can see, this is very well used, but these you can get in bulk packets, and I found they're very helpful because you can actually mix the paint in these giant tubes and it keeps for a long time. It mixes really well because you can easily shake the paint, and that's another great option and relatively inexpensive for these plastic bottles that you can get on Amazon. So that's how I store my paint. You can really, any kind of container that you have lying around, you don't mind getting destroyed, you can use, as long as it's sealed pretty well. It keeps for several months in temperatures that are conducive for storage. So not extreme heats or not extreme cold temperatures will help keep that paint usable into the future. So make sure to like and share this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos about how to do acrylic paint pouring. See you next time.